Hey there, fellow Italy lovers. Welcome to the Amalfi Coast, a little slice of heaven on earth. Fasten your seatbelts and wanderlust with top travel and food. Today, we're diving deep into Amalfi City, revealing its best-kept secrets. So, buckle up and let's get started. First things first, getting to Amalfi. You have a few options, but the scenic route is undoubtedly the most breathtaking. Fly into Naples, then hop on a bus, take a train, or rent a car for a stunning drive along the coast. Trust us, those cliffside views are worth every twist and turn. Now, let's talk hidden gems. Amalfi's main attraction is, of course, the Cathedral of St. Andrew, or Duomo di Amalfi. Its stunning facade and beautiful interior are a must-see. But don't stop there. Head to the Paper Museum, Museo della Carta, to discover the ancient art of papermaking. It's a unique experience you won't find just anywhere. Feeling adventurous? Take a hike up to the Valle del Ferriere. This lush green valley is a hidden paradise with waterfalls, rare plants, and an old ironworks factory. It's like stepping into another world, far away from the bustling coast. For a taste of local life, visit the Amalfi Market. Here, you'll find fresh produce, local cheeses, and, of course, the famous Amalfi lemons. Grab a lemon granita, a refreshing treat perfect for those warm Italian days. No trip to Amalfi is complete without a boat tour. Charter a boat or join a group tour to explore the stunning coastline from the water. You can even visit the Emerald Grotto, a magical sea cave illuminated by emerald green light. It's simply mesmerizing. And let's not forget the food. Indulge in fresh seafood, handmade pasta, and local desserts like sfogliatella. Pair your meal with a glass of local wine and you're in for a culinary delight. When it comes to accommodation, you've got many options. But don't forget to book your stay in advance. If you're on a budget, there are plenty of charming, affordable B&Bs scattered around town. So, there you have it. Amalfi City is a treasure trove of experiences just waiting for you to explore. From history and culture to natural beauty and delicious cuisine, it's got it all. Thanks for joining us on this journey. For more content about this destination, go to www.toptravelandfood.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and guides. Ciao for now. Arrivederci.